beautiful audience, let's create this new clay tile today in this video, and I'm going to show and share the complete process which I enjoyed thoroughly while creating this. So yeah, let's begin. Well, I have already given the imprint on the tile with the handmade clay which I created myself and make it at home. Now I'm giving the color on the base and I'm keeping it really light. I need a pastel look and the touch, so I have started coloring my base with a peach color which looks something like you are seeing on the screen. So these are very random flowers which I have just created. See how it looks? It looks amazing, right? And now it's very important while you're giving the base, give a shade, a kind of a same color shades on the flowers as well, so that these matches together well. And now I'm giving the color of white on the petals of the flower because I wanted the combination of peach and white on the flowers. So that was there in my mind when I began the video initially. So when I initially started, that was a kind of a picture which I had in my mind that I want to create, and that's what I'm trying to achieve it. Well, let's see how the outcome comes out to be. This kind of an artwork needs patience, a really good patience, and trust me, this is a kind of a very soothing process which for sure you will enjoy, and it is so therapeutic, and I think everyone needs to have one kind of an art or some likeness to something which you really enjoy doing other than your busy schedule. And this becomes very important to take off your mental stress. I must tell you, whatever you like, right? Spend some time in a day or in a week doing that. Enjoy the process. So we are somewhere completed. We have completed somewhere around more than half a journey on the tile, and somewhere we are very close to our finish, but it is very important that you give a very clean finishing touch to whatever you make. Usually what happens is we create things and we start doing it, but while we are creating it and in that journey, we lose out on our patience, and most of the time it also happens that the end part really goes for the toss, and that doesn't show well on the art piece. So it's very important, guys, to hold on to your patience, and that's what the hobbies you carry teaches you. It's so important that from your busy day-to-day schedule that you go to work, you spend your time, you spend your energy, your mental capabilities on the stressful activities you do, like whatever job you do, right? Maybe in front of the screen or the manual effort you'll be doing it. So to take off all that stress, it's important that you give some time for your loved art or any kind of an interest you carry. And my interest is to play with the clay. I just enjoy. It is so amazing. I enjoy this moment, and yeah, it's really relaxing. And I want to share this in this video of mine, the journey of my happiness and how I enjoy the artwork. So yeah, I end this video with the hope that you have